Guys, we're launching our program from today. So in case you want to attend the demo lecture or you just want to join us for the books, mocks, shortcut, just call the numbers given here. Today 7 to 8 p.m. I'm taking up the critical reasoning ka demo lecture. Hi guys, I'm going to give away this iPad to one of the students who will be performing well. So CET King is touching, yes, I'm seriously going to give it. We are going to touch 250,000 subscriber probably by next month. And we are now, I think at 240 now. And 250,000, and on my Instagram we are touching almost 9,500 followers on my Instagram page. So the day it touched 10,000 and 250,000, we are going to announce this iPad. Plus this is a golden opportunity for you to score more, because next 2 months are very crucial for the CAT exam, because it's a lull phase. Trust me guys, July, this month June July is a peak time when you have to study, but you're not yet motivated. Why? Because abhi tak date nahi aaya. Fine. So this iPad will motivate you. Same way for the CET students, those who are preparing for the CET exam, we still don't have the date for the CET exam. CET 21, 22 to baat ki baat hai. Fine. So they need motivation. So this might act as a motivation for you. And third kind of student, those who have joined the B schools, you have joined SIBM, you have joined IIM Lucknow, IIM Indore. For them as well, any of the three category student can win this iPad. A, those who joined the B school, already joined the B school, been selected to some college. B, you're preparing for the CAT 21, you're preparing for the CET 21. I don't mind gifting it to any one of you. So what are the criteria? I have created a very sophisticated criteria. I thought a lot about this year. I've been thinking about for the last 1 week. तब तक ये iPad courier मेरे घर पे भी आ गया, and I still could not find how to gift it to someone. So what I'll do, I'll create a Google form probably by next month. The day we touch 250,000, I'll create a Google form where you have to submit what you have done, what you have studied in the last 1 month. Okay. And then one lucky person will get this iPad. Okay. So end of the day, I'm going to do akkad bakkad, frankly speaking. ठीक है. अब जिसको लगता है कि फेक कर रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, I've gifted iPhone as well earlier in the month of February, March. I think March I gifted iPad. iPhone, fine, iPhone 11, 12 नहीं तो पब्लिक बोलता है 12 Pro Max. एक बंदे ने बोला कि सर अपना ही फ़ोन दे दो गिफ्ट में. अच्छा दे दो देखो मैं मेरा फ़ोन. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ द iPad 10.9. मैं अपने वाला प्रो नहीं देने वाला. दिस इज़ अ नॉर्मल iPad. सी दिस इज़ जस्ट माई वे टू मोटिवेट माई स्टूडेंट. ट्रस्ट मी यार, देर इज़ नो अदर क्राइटेरिया. You don't need to be my classroom student. You have to be following me on YouTube. You have to be following me on Instagram. You can join my Instagram. Link is given in the description box. It's just a way to motivate. I would love it कि आप iPad वापस करो कि नहीं सर मुझे iPad नहीं चाहिए. I would love it. Guys, please remember one thing. If you are going to the good college, you can buy a new iPad every month. Every month you can buy a new iPad. That's the power of going to a good college. So if one small gift can motivate CAT students, can motivate CET students, I think nothing can be bad. Nothing can be bad than that. Now, how I can go to choose the student? For example, one of the guys who have just converted IIM Ahmedabad, he have zero work experience in the corporate. He have never worked in Accenture, Wipro, all these things, but have a very, very strong profile. He have started his own companies. एक नहीं, दो नहीं, तीन नहीं, 4 companies. Now that guy is a front runner to get this iPad. One student who have left new IIMs, he have not even sat for the new IIMs ka interviews. Just imagine. No sir, I only want to go to ABC. And he is religiously giving one mock every week. For him, giving a mock every week makes sense. Why? Because of the fact that he is repeater of last year. He is again a front runner for preparing for MB, for getting this award, getting this iPad. Same way for those who are preparing for CET. If you're studying 4 hours every day, I have many students from Nagpur, Pune, Nasik, Mumbai, even from outside Maharashtra, Bilaspur, Bangalore, who are preparing for CET also. Fine, they are not done when the CAT exam, but they are still focused on CET because this is the last hope. Otherwise, they might have to join some faltu college. They are also in the front runner. Trust me guys, the only objective, there's no politics behind this. The only objective is to motivate my student. One of you will get that. Obviously, I can't give iPad to everybody. It's common sense. One of you will get, but if that can make you study, nothing can beat that. For iPhone, I've got many replies. There was a girl who used to send me, who said that she had been, and she sent me all the screenshots. She had last 1 month, she have not thought about CAT, she have thought about the iPhone, and that made her study every day. The moment you change the focus, उसको भी पता कि शायद उसको iPad नहीं मिलेगा, but that motivated her to study. You can own your own. You can buy iPad like this every month if you do your MBA from the top college. So all the MBA students, those who are doing their MBA, join the college. You might have done some internship at the top college. Yes, you can get it. Or the students who are preparing for MBA, all are equally invited to take this iPad and celebrate the 250,000 subscribers. So that we'll be touching that next month. So we'll wait and watch for that. All the best. Thank you. All right, if I missed up anything or you want me to cover up anything, please let me know in the comments, and do subscribe to our channel because I'm going to upload more videos like this in the future. In case you want to join our program for books, mocks, e-classes, the numbers are given here. Call us on any of these numbers given here. All the best.